Applications of VIP in locally made materials. Flexible VIPs can be seamlessly bonded to local products in a particular country, like tiles, stone decorative coverings, or facade panels, without altering existing manufacturing lines. By integrating VIP into these finishes, manufacturers deliver premium, net zero ready products without added thickness or design compromise. Developers gain a strong selling point, luxury surfaces that lower HVAC loads and energy bills, while contractors avoid added wall depth or crane weight. A simple bonding station offers high margins and positions local suppliers as leader in sustainable high performance construction.